For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a first-slide business can be a stylish and profitable venture, especially if you take advantage of free AI tools to simplify and speed up the process. With a rising demand for fashionable, cozy, and custom footwear, first slides have become a trendy item, particularly among online shoppers. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to launch your own first slide brand using artificial intelligence to handle tasks like market research, design ideas, branding, planning, and marketing. You don't need a big budget, just creativity, time, and the right AI prompts. Step 1. Research the market and identify a niche. Before diving in, understand who you're selling to and what styles or features are in demand. Use ChatGPT to analyze the market and identify gaps or underserved demographics. You can prompt the tool with, act as a market researcher. What are current consumer trends and underserved niches in the first slide market in the US? AI tool to use, ChatGPT, OpenAI. Function, identifies trends, helps you understand competitors, pinpoints niches, and summarizes research findings. You can also use Google Trends to see how searches for terms like first slides, fuzzy slippers, or luxury house footwear are evolving. Try entering your keywords and seeing which terms spike seasonally or regionally. Step 2. Define your brand and unique value proposition. After identifying your niche, decide what makes your first slide business different. Is it vegan materials? Custom colors? Luxury level comfort? AI can help you define this. Use ChatGPT again with this prompt. Create a unique value proposition and brand positioning for a startup first slide business targeting Gen Z women. Use Loca, free version, to generate logo ideas and color schemes by describing your brand's vibe and personality. Function, AI-powered branding kit creator, suggests logos, colors, and fonts based on your style. Step 3. Write a business plan with AI. Now that your brand and audience are clear, create a concise business plan. This document will help keep your operations focused and attract potential collaborators or investors. Prompt ChatGPT with, write a one-page business plan for a first slide business. Include mission, product description, target market, operations plan, and sales strategy. AI tool to use, ChatGPT. Function, outlines structured business plans tailored to your goals and audience. You can tweak the output to include startup costs, distribution methods, e.g., direct-to-consumer via Instagram or Etsy, and basic financial projections. Step 4. Design your product. You don't need to be a designer to create product ideas. Use Canva, free version, to generate mock-up slides by uploading photos of blank slides and layering in faux fur textures or patterns. Alternatively, try Crayon, an AI image generator, with a prompt. Generate stylish fur, slide, footwear designs for women, pastel and neon color options, luxury vibe. Then ask ChatGPT to assist with product descriptions. Write detailed, persuasive product descriptions for first slides designed for Gen Z shoppers. You can refine the copy to use on your online store or Etsy listings. Step 5. Source materials and manufacturers. You'll need suppliers for fur, faux or real, soles, and packaging. Ask ChatGPT. List reliable sources to buy wholesale faux fur, rubber soles, and packaging materials for a first slide business in the US. If you want to make the slides yourself, look into YouTube tutorials and ask ChatGPT to outline the process. Write a step-by-step production process for handmade first slides with materials list. If outsourcing, use platforms like Alibaba to connect with manufacturers and use ChatGPT to help you message them professionally. Write a supplier inquiry email asking about minimum order quantities and custom branding for first slides. Step 6. Set up your online store and socials. Start with a free platform like Shopify, free trial, or Etsy, or build a site using Wix free plan. Ask ChatGPT to help generate your store's homepage text. Write homepage copy for a stylish first slide store targeting women aged 18 to 30 who love cozy, trendy fashion. To create your social bios and posts, prompt ChatGPT with. Write a week of Instagram captions for a new first slide business launching in summer. Also use Canva to make product posts, story templates, and highlight covers. Step 7. Create a marketing plan using AI. Your next focus should be visibility. Use ChatGPT to build a complete marketing roadmap. Write a 30-day social media marketing plan for launching a first slide brand on Instagram and TikTok. Break down campaigns by goal, brand awareness, influencer outreach, UGC, user-generated content, and retargeting. Ask ChatGPT to write ad copy too. Write 3 Facebook ad variations for first slides, targeting women aged 18 to 30 interested in fashion and home comfort. Use Pictory.ai free plan to turn product photos and testimonials into short videos you can post on TikTok or Instagram Reels. Function converts text or images into short marketing videos with captions and effects. Step 8. Price your product strategically. Use ChatGPT to help calculate pricing based on your costs. If my materials and shipping cost $9 per pair of first slides, what should my retail price be to earn at least 60% profit while staying competitive? AI can also help draft your pricing tiers, discount offers, and bundle deals. Step 9. Launch and promote your business. Prepare a launch countdown using social media teasers and giveaways. Use ChatGPT to write an email campaign for early subscribers. Write a 3-part launch email sequence for a new first slide business with a 15% off discount for early buyers. Schedule your launch posts with Buffer, Free Plan, or Later.com, which allows you to plan your content calendar in advance. To boost credibility, use Copy.ai free version to create testimonials or review request messages. Write a friendly message asking first-time customers to leave a review on Etsy or Instagram. Step 10. Measure performance and optimize. After launch, start tracking what works. Use Google Analytics or built-in store insights to track views, sales, and customer behavior. Ask ChatGPT, based on low conversion rates and high bounce rates on my homepage, what improvements can I make to my first slide store layout and content? You can also use ChatGPT to write customer satisfaction surveys. Write a short post-purchase survey for a first slide business to understand customer satisfaction and product feedback. Analyzing this data helps you improve product offerings, messaging, and marketing. Conclusion. Starting a first slide business doesn't require a large investment if you leverage the power of free AI tools. From researching your market to branding, designing, marketing, and launching your product, platforms like ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, and Loca allow you to do everything with minimal cost and maximum creativity. By prompting the right questions at each step, you can save time, reduce guesswork, and bring your first slide brand to life with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.